So ngayon, ito yung first day of our training program. Thankful ako kasi nga umattend kayo sa training na gagawin natin ngayon. So ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is mga basic skills in volleyball, kagaya ng spiking, ball handling, serving, at setting. So willing ba kayong matuto?
Opo!
Willing ba kayong matuto?
Opo!
So bago natin gawin yung volleyball, basic skills in volleyball, tayo muna tayong lahat para sa ating prayer. So Lord, thank you po sa araw na to at binigyan niyo po kami ng kalakasan at katalinuhan. Gabayan niyo po kami sa gagawin naming volleyball training na simula ngayon hanggang sa day 5. Lord, sana po bigyan niyo po kami ng kalakasan at katalinuhan hanggang matapos po yung training na to. Yun lamang po ang aming samot dalangin sa matamis sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming tagapagligtas. Amen. So now, after the training, we have psychological components where we have tag feedback. So tag feedback means tell something about the performance, ask a question, and give a suggestion. So what was the most challenging part of the training for you?
Setting. Serve. Setting.
So most of you are challenged in setting and serve. And now, what specific goals will you set for yourself to improve before the next training session? So ano pa di gusto mong ma-improve sa'yo?
Ma-improve sa pagbabalibol. Ma-improve yung pag-serve ko. Ma-improve yung pag-set.
Pagsiset?
Ma-improve yung pag-set.
Ma-improve lahat.
So, most of you were going to improve something like gusto niyo pa ma-improve na mag-setting, mag-serve, and gusto niyo ma-improve lahat. So, ang inaano ko lang is sana next training natin is mag-improve kayo when it comes on the difficult or challenges that you said to me. So, that's all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you po.
hello guys.
Hello po.
So for our day 2, tag feedback, where tell something about the performance, ask a question, and give a suggestion. So what skills do you feel have improved the most during the training? So ano ba yung nag-improve kayong gawin?
Pagsaserve. All sa pagsaserve. Serving. Setting.
Ba't kayo natatawa? Ay, nakakapagod. So most of you are nag-improve sa setting, serving. And how was your mindset or attitude toward volleyball? So ano daw yung napipil nyo? Ano yung mindset nyo para magawa nyo yung serving, ganon, or setting?
Lang. Seryoso lang. Focus sa goal. Focus pa. Focus lang.
Seryoso lang.
So most of you are serious and nakafocus lang sa ginagawa nila. Tama naman yun. Kasi kung nakafocus kayo or seryoso kayo sa ginagawa nyo, magagawa nyo or ma-execute nyo yung skills na yon. Kasi di ba hindi nyo magagawa yun pag tumatawa kayo? Thank you for the day 2 and see you next training or for our day 3. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone. So for our day 3, psychological components, tag feedback, tell something about performance, ask question, give a suggestion. So what areas do you think need more practice or improvement? Ano sa tingin niyo yung gusto niyo pang ma-improve sa laro?
Gusto ko pa ma-improve ang pag-spike. Spiking.
Spike.
Spiking. Spike.
So most of you are gusto pang ma-improve yung spiking. And second, how did you handle mistakes? So paano niyo daw na-handle yung mistakes pag nagkakamali kayo?
Tiwala lang sa sarili. Tiwala.
Seryoso.
Huwag intindihin.
Anong wag intindihin?
Ang
Keep trying.
Keep, keep trying daw, sabi niya. So, tama na may mga sinabi nyo. Kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng mistakes, dapat bumawi kayo and dapat, sabi niya, keep trying. Try lang ng try until you succeed. So, thank you for our day 3. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. hello everyone. So for our day 4, psychological components, tag feedback, where tell something about the performance, ask a question, and give a suggestion. So first question, what goals did you set at the beginning of, and how well did you achieve them?
Pagbablock.
Nag-set ka ng kaya mong mag-block.
Opo. Pag-spike.
Hindi goals mo.
Pagbablock.
Pagbabalak.
Pagbablock.
So, what goals did you set? Sabi niyo, pagbablock. And second question, how was your attitude toward practice and competition? Ano yung attitude nyo?
Enjoy lang sa goal. Focus. Focus.
Seryoso.
Focus.
So, focus and seryoso. So, bakit mahalaga yung seryoso sa game? Bakit kailangan maging seryoso?
Para sa kalakasan. Para makamit mo yung goal.
Ikaw, paano pag naging seryoso ka?
Magagawa mo yung gusto mo gawin.
So, yon. Tama yung sinabi niya, magagawa niya gusto niyong gawin kapag seryoso kayo and dedicate kayo sa training natin. So, thank you everyone for our day 4. See you tomorrow for our last training. Goodbye everyone. Good morning everyone. So for our last and day 5 training, so ito na yung pinaka-last natin na training na kung saan i-apply nyo na lahat ng mga na-practice natin or lahat ng mga natutunan nyo from day 1 to day 4. Dito, magiging as a team na kayo. Kung baga, lalaro na kayo as a team, may mga kasama na kayo, like i-apply nyo na yung spiking, setting, and receiving. So, handa na ba kayo everyone? Handa na ba kayo? So, let's start. Hello guys, kamusta?
Ito nakakapagod!
Natuto ba kayo? Oh. What motivates you? Ba't ka na-motivate?
Kasi gusto ko po matuto ng volleyball.
Gusto mong matuto? Ikaw?
Gusto ko rin po matuto. Gusto ko pong lumakas sa paglalaro. Gusto kong lumakas sa paglalaro.
Gusto ko mong matuto.
So gusto yung matuto. Most of you are gustong matuto and gusto pang lumakas ng volleyball. How will you use what you learn? Saan mo daw magagamit yung mga natutunan mo?
Pag nilaban ko sa may district,
Pag nilaban sa district.
sa paglalaro po. Magagamit mo to sa kahit anong sports. Para magamit to pagka may laban.
Sa paglalaro po.
As your coach, I saw how vital my volleyball training program is to your success on the court. Training isn't just about showing up. It's the foundation that builds your skills, strength, and confidence. Without a solid program, you will struggle to spike, serve, or dive like a pro. You will learn each other's styles, celebrate wins, and lift each other up. A strong program isn't solo. It's what makes us unbeatable as a person. My volleyball training program is your secret weapon. It turns effort into excellence, weaknesses into strengths, and dreams into reality.